US. Yeah, what the heck? Oh, no, this is an elevator electric. Wow. This is building S here at the Eaves, Mountain View, California. There are a lot of elevators here. Obviously, if this is building S, sheesh. I'm gonna poke around and see what other ones I find interesting, but if they all look like this, I'm not gonna film all of them. Maybe one of them will be original, but I doubt it. If they mod it all the way up to S. We shall see. Okay, this is another elevator here at the Eaves, Mountain View. So each building doesn't actually have an elevator. They're like connected, and the elevators are like randomly placed outside. So here's another one. Same thing. This one has a working indicator. Buttons are so dim. This is technically the building P elevator.